So I'm Professor Con Tam. I am a hematologist that work at Peter MacCallum and St Vincent's Hospital in Melbourne, and I have a special interest in B-cell non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, which includes mantle cell lymphoma. So clinical trials are an important way to improve the treatment for the patient, and also for us to learn how to use to develop new treatment for lymphoma. So at St Vincent's, we work in cooperation with Peter MacCallum in having a suite of clinical trials for patients with different types of lymphoma, including mantle cell lymphoma. So we have, at the moment, clinical trials that combine ibrutinib with other active drugs, such as venetoclax, to try and give patients an even better outcome than that they can get on standard therapy with ibrutinib alone. To get into a clinical trial, the most important thing is to speak to your doctor. I think many doctors think that the patients are not interested in clinical trials, or may not wish to travel or make the commitment to a clinical trial. I think it's really important that you actually do tell your treating specialist that you are interested in a clinical trial. And because we're a very close-knit community, most specialists will then either ask myself or someone who knows what clinical trials are available for you, and will make the recommendation. Obviously, you're always very welcome to look up on the clinicaltrials.gov, which is a US website, or the equivalent in Australia. The cancer councils tend to have clinical trial listings online, and you identify a study, there will be contact details of the people at the different sites who run the clinical trial for you to get more information. But I think the most important thing is to talk to your specialist about this and let them know that you are interested in doing a clinical trial, and then they would normally be the best person to coordinate your access to one of these studies.